Hello everyone. So in the last video we have seen how to print a string values as using variables using serial communication. So I just want to tell you, like, printing the string value, you can also display the integer values or send, or you can say let's int a. Okay, so it's a name is equal to let's say 10. Okay, and simply you can pass the a value here. Okay, if you pass it, so what the Arduino will do is Arduino will check what is a. So a is 10, so the number 10 will be printed here as a number. Okay, so you can print the integers as well, no problem, totally okay. So if you want, I can simply copy this and paste and show you. So you can see hi, I'm odd ARD and number 10 is being printed. Okay, so this is totally valid. Okay, so then if somebody is wondering about yeah, let's not go for now some of the numbers. For example, I will quickly go through. So if you want to print a single letter, okay, you don't always have to go for string. There is something called characters, right? Single character. So that data type is called char, char. Okay, so you can give a name to that. Let's say z is equal to, then you can use single quotes, or let's say double quotes. It's also fine. Okay, and you can use a character, right? Let's say letter, it's a capital A, and you can print it. Okay, so you have a special opportunity to use a character. That means if it's a single one, okay, single character or single whatever the value, so that can be stored under character. Even number 5 is itself is a character if you are writing inside two double quotes. Okay, it will be converted, or it will be considered as a character, not a number, because it's just some printing purpose since it's a double quotes. So let's have a character A and see whether it works or not. Now I have stored it. I'll try to save it and see. Okay, I already verify and see whether it works or not. Compiling or not. Yeah, it's getting compiled. Okay, so let's try a copy paste. So I'm just supposed to printing x and z. Okay, x and z, none of the variables. Okay, so I will paste it here. Okay, and see whether it works or not. So we have a problem. Okay, so let's have a look what's the problem, right? Okay, so I will go here and I will change it to single quotes. Okay, so the problem is, guys, so if you are, that was my mistake, I was at the confusion. If you are using a character, if you are using a character variable, you have to type it inside single quotes. Strings are only allowed to be used in double quotes. Okay, so you can, as I already said, the string also can be a single character, also can be considered as a string. So you can also mention this a as a string variable as well. Okay, you can write like this, string. Okay, let's give a name, let's say c is equal to a. This is totally fine because a string can be either one or more than one characters. See, one or set of more than one characters. But if it is a one character, okay, we have a specific variable or benefit called char. Let's say for memory purposes or some other purposes, you can use char. If you are mentioning the a as char, then you have to go for single quotes. So character variable should be inside the single quotes. Okay, so for the moment I will delete this and I have changed it to single quotes. You cannot use double quotes. Okay, so now it should be working, I hope. So since though this Arduino was not giving a compile time errors, the simulation environment gave the compile time error, some error, and I expect it will not work in the Arduino as well if you are using double quotes. Okay, so I will paste this now and see whether it is working now or not. Okay, let's see. So now it looks like there's no problem. Now it is being printed. See, a is printed. What is a? This is a. So always remember, guys, when you're using character data type for a single character, try to use it inside single quotes. String, if it is a string, you can go for double quotes. Okay, so I will make the a into a string and also show you that. Okay, so let's say string, let's give a name as c. So you can give any name you want. Okay, you can even say my string. That's totally fine. Any name is fine. My string. Yeah, that's also fine. I just give single letters as a name, and it's totally fine. Okay. Or let's say my test. I'm doing a test, or my anything. Okay. Okay, this let's have C. Okay, anything you want to use, everything is fine. So if you're using it as a string, then you have to go for double quotes. Now it will not give an error. Okay, we are in the simulation environment as well. So I'm not going to use that. I can remove it, and I'm going to use this is C. Okay. Okay, guys. So please make sure this video is very important. We have studied about string and characters, and how to print the character values with single quotes, and how to print the string values with double quotes. Okay, even a single letter can be considered as character and string. Okay, so now it should be working in the simulation environment without any errors, because it's compiling. I will do a control A and paste. Okay, so C is being used, right? This C, all good. So I will clear this up. Okay, A is being successfully printed. So earlier when I have double quoted with the character, it gave me an error, right, in the simulation environment. But now I made the data type a string, so string can have double quote. It's okay. So it's a choice whether you can go for string or character if there is only one letter or one character, whatever it is. But if you're going to go for character data type, CHAR, the data type is called CHAR. Okay, that is character. So let's say Y, single letter you can use. Okay, let's say first letter of my name, of your name, or anything. Let's just write E. Okay, and like this. So E will be printed, but you cannot have this double quotes. You have to have single quotes. Okay. If you want to use it as a string, still that's fine, because string also giving you the opportunity of using a single character. Okay, string S, let's say, you have to go for double quotes. Okay, so this is acceptable, and you can switch this single double quotes. So I hope guys you understood. We studied about some more important things: integer, string, and also character data types, and what's the difference between the defining the value of the character and the string, especially in regard to single and double quotes. Okay, guys. And also you can print int using serial println, you can print characters, you can print strings as well. Okay, I'm not repeating it and focusing on, because there's not much things unless except you are learning about these data types. So I'm stopping it here, guys. So now you will be able to define any number of variables, assign the values there, and serial print the variable values, right? So guys, until then, I will until I meet you in the next video, have a great day ahead, and consider subscribing us. Take care. Bye.